Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm traveling for a day trip about 600 to 700 kilometers, and I typically carry that bag you see at the back with me when I'm going for the long day trip. So what I'll show you in this trip is all the items that I think they are necessary for me to take along with me while I'm traveling. So let's get started. I would like to thank you all for your support. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. So let me show you now what I have in this bag that I carry with me when I'm traveling for a day-long trip from morning to night. Taking out all the contents from the bag, and let's start off with the 4 water bottles that you see. I always carry, if I'm going on a long day trip, 4 water bottles with me, just in case you're traveling somewhere. Sometimes you need water, there's an urgency or something, you have it there. The second thing are a few band-aids. I always carry few band-aids on me. You never know, sometimes you get a small hand cut, or anything else where you need a band-aid and you don't have it. This box here you see has a few pocket knife and a few other tools. So in case I need a nail cutter or something, or a small screwdriver, a pocket knife, that's all in this box. These are 2 black gloves that I carry with me in case I need to do something, check on the bike or do anything else. An extra pair of key fob. So we do get 2 key fobs here in Canada. One is what I always carry with me, the other is switched off, but I still carry it in the bag just in case I need it, and I lose one or anything could happen. Let's say I break one. So I always carry, if I'm 700 or 800 kilometers away from home, the last thing I need to know is I'm stuck. This is a torch light. So stranded somewhere, God forbid, or I need something at night. Let's say I get stopped, I have a flat, it's pitch dark over there, I need to look around the bike. This is an excellent torch that I have, that I carry with me, and it's very helpful. Another thing, you might be wondering, why do I have a lock? I always carry a lock just in case I have to spend somewhere overnight. There's a locker where I need to lock my things. I carry a lock with me, always been a habit, and I always have that. These are multiple set of phone chargers which I do carry on me, and that's reason is I carry more than one. As you can see, you never know, one cable dies, you have an extra pair. Never feel that you are stranded. A cap just in case you're a towel, okay, a piece to wipe off, I need to touch something or do anything. And this is an extra pair of waterproof pants. So these pants are, again, you see, quite a bit of the things that I carry are very fluorescent in color. And the reason is because I look at it this way: if I'm stranded somewhere or I'm stopped somewhere at night, where I have to be, the road doesn't have much visibility. So you might have noticed that quite a bit of things that I carry are fluorescent in color, and that's because in case I'm stranded somewhere or I'm stopped by the roadside at night, or I need something, I need to be wearing something that shows a lot of reflection. Road visibility need to be there. People need to be, the cars passing by need to be able to see me, that I'm around there. So and I'm always into shocking colors like yellow, red. So these are very high in visibility, and that is the reason I carry. Let me show you what's in my trunk lid organizer as well. So my trunk lid organizer, which is here, I have my JIS screwdrivers in this. So this is by Vessel. Again, very helpful in case I ever need to use them. But yeah, always carry them on me in my trunk lid organizer here. The other thing I have here on this side is the kickstand pad, which I made the video previously, but this is my kickstand pad here. just in case I ever need it. So that's about it. All the items inside this bag here, the bag fits perfectly in my trunk and closes perfectly fine. So I'm all ready and set for my trip. One thing I need to point out is there are a lot of things in this that I haven't mentioned, which I am carrying, but might be irrelevant to you. So basically my GoPro multiple batteries, my GoPro charging cables, my Canon camera, my drone. These are all the items that I'm also carrying on me, and with their charging cable, with multiple batteries and everything, that will go in my side, saddle bag over there. But I'm not mentioning them, and the reason is because it might be irrelevant to many of you riding. But if it is, and you would like to see what I carry as my camera gear, let me know and I will go ahead and make that video sometime for all of you. So much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the mini kit that I carry with me when I'm traveling for a day trip. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to write in the comments below what you carry on your day trip. Maybe I can get some tips from you and carry those items. Sometimes we all are able to help each other and understand what we all carry. But make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and hit the notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.